To buy crypto with a Wells Fargo debit card, start by selecting a reputable crypto exchange that accepts debit card transactions. Some popular options include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Once you have chosen an exchange, create an account by providing the required information, such as your name, email address, and password. Next, verify your account by providing identification documents, such as a driver's license or passport, to comply with Know Your Customer regulations. This step is crucial to ensure the security and legitimacy of your transactions. After verifying your account, navigate to the Payment Methods section and add your Wells Fargo debit card as a funding source. You will need to provide your debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to review the fees associated with debit card transactions, as they may vary depending on the exchange and your location. Once your debit card is added, you can proceed to buy crypto by selecting the desired cryptocurrency and entering the amount you want to purchase. Review the transaction details, including the exchange rate and fees, before confirming the purchase. After completing the transaction, the crypto will be deposited into your exchange wallet. It is essential to note that Wells Fargo may have specific policies and restrictions regarding crypto transactions, so it is recommended to review their terms and conditions before buying crypto with your debit card. Additionally, be aware of the risks associated with investing in crypto, such as market volatility, and only invest what you can afford to lose. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can securely buy crypto with your Wells Fargo debit card and start exploring the world of cryptocurrency.